Isadong, me and Ji-yoon.
Video again.
And we're doing video again, and she hates it. I don't know why she hates this video. Isadong is famous for its tourism, foreign people, amazing delicious chocolate ice cream, and amazing hand carvings that you will see in a bit. I hope so. And we're heading to a beautiful garden up in this little plaza. It's like a 4 or 5 story plaza. It's majestic. People everywhere, and it's so crowded. And things are expensive. I just spent 80,000 won today. It's like around $80 or so. $75 to $80 actually. Very pretty indeed. Isadong goes further that way and further that way. Crap load of people. And we're in the city of Seoul, and I'll be honest, it doesn't even feel like I'm in Seoul. I feel like I'm in like a massive, like a big Koreatown in New York or something. Alright. Yeah. Alright, I'm turning this off. Peace on earth. Yo.